Hi, today we're going to see how to create and export patterns in Photopea. So I have already created my layer here. It's 1920 by 1080 pixels. So now I'm going to bring my pattern image. So here it is, and I'm just going to drag it up here. So as you can see, it opened as an image, not as a layer inside here. So the size of this image is 1280 in width and height. So now what we need to do is to see how our image will look as a pattern. Go to view and then select pattern view. So here it is. It will show you how it will look. So left click here, select the zoom tool, right click, zoom out, right click, zoom out. So here it is. It will show you how it will look. So now I'm going to define it as a new pattern. So I'm going to exit from this view, go to view, and then pattern view. I'm going to uncheck it. So now in order to define it as a new pattern, go to edit, define new, and then select pattern. So here it is, pattern added. Now let's go back to our previous layer, the white layer. So in order to fill it with the pattern, we're going to add a new adjustment layer, left click here, and then go to pattern fill. And now I'm going to select the pattern, left click here, and here's our pattern. So here it is. So now here you can control the angle, the pattern, and here the scale, size. So here it is. And now here the off accent of Y. So it will move it to the right or left or up and down. So here it is. I'm going to close this window right now. And now I'm going to show you another way to create your own pattern, for example, a dotted pattern. So I'm going to create a new layer, click on this icon here. I'm going to fill it with white, so I'm going to change the foreground to white. So here it is. Now I'm going to select the pen bucket, left click. So here it is. Our pattern layer is still here. Now for this image here, I'm just going to delete it since I don't need it anymore. Just press the X and then press OK. I'm going to create a new image, go to File, New. So for the size, I'm going to go with 400 in width and height, 402, press enter, and then create. So here's our layer. And now I'm going to select the brush tool, left click. You can also bring, for example, an image, for example, a graphic, a heart, or something like that to create the pattern. So for the size, I'm going to increase it a little bit. So here like this. And for the color, I'm going to change it to black. And now I'm going to create a new layer. Click on this icon here. So here it is. And now I'm going to left click. So here's our circle here with the brush. So I'm going to select the move tool. And now I want to center it. So here it is. It is centered. And now we just need to do just as before to see how this will look as a pattern. Go to view and then here pattern view. So I'm going to left click on the zoom tool, right click and then zoom out, right click, zoom out, right click and then zoom out. And now here, for example, if I select the move tool, I can adjust this layer here. For example, if I move it to here like this, or I can even scale it. So click on transform controls. And now I can scale it. So I'm going to keep it like this. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to duplicate it. So right click, duplicate layer. So now I'm going to uncheck its transform controls. So here it is. And now I'm going to move this duplicated layer here, for example. It will add like this. So here it is. You can also, for example, right click, duplicate again, change the shape to fill it more. So I'm going to delete it. So now I'm going to define this, what's visible here on the Canva as a new pattern. So for example, if I hide this one, it will define only this one here. So I'm going to check the eye icon here for this one. I want this one. So now go to edit just as before and then just select define new and then click on pattern. So here it defined what's visible here on the Canva as a pattern. So now let's exit from the pattern view, go to view and then pattern preview. So here it is. And now let's go back to our layer. So here it is. And now just as before, left click here on the new adjustment layer, go to pattern fill. And now left click here and now I'm going, here's our pattern here. I'm going to select it. So here it is. Now I'm going to click here and now for the scale, I can, for example, scale it like this. So here it is. I'm going to exit this window. So here it is. I'm going to hide. I'm going to leave it with this one. And now if you want to export your pattern, I'm going to select, double click here on the pattern fill here, adjustment layer. I'm going to left click here on the pattern. So here I have all my patterns here I have, and now I need to choose the pattern I want to save. So for example, I want to save the dotted pattern, this one here. Select it, left click here on the drop down here on the little arrow, and then here select export as .path. So I'm going to left click and then export it. So now I have saved this pattern here, I have exported it. So now I'm going to click here to exit this window. So now I'm going to close Photopea and then open it again. So now I opened Photopea again. So now I'm going to create a new image, go to File, New. So I'm going to select this one here, 1920 by 1080 pixels image. And now, for example, if I go to the patterns, so I'm going to left click here on the new adjustment layer and then go to pattern fill. I select left click here, so I don't have my pattern. So now I'm going to import my patterns. So just go to File and then you need to open the file you exported. So I'm going to open. So this is the file I have exported earlier. So I'm going to double click. So here it is, and now load patterns. Also, next time use the editor, manage it or edit it in local store. So I'm going to cancel it here. I just want to use it for this one. So here, pattern added. So now I'm going to double click here on the adjustment layer. So here, double click, select it, and then double click. And now I'm going to left click here. And now I'm going to scroll down. And here's our pattern we exported earlier, left click. So here it is. And now just as before, you can scale it up or down. So I'm going to leave it like this. So here it is. That's how you can create and export patterns in Photopea. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day, and till next time.